All right, let's break down 3 big names in EDR so you can pick the right one for you.
We'll hit their core philosophies, deployment models, how they scale, and a key security scenario.
So, first things first, cloud speed or on-prem control. This choice, it changes everything that follows. Each EDR has its own vibe. Symantec is hybrid, Carbon Black is all about forensics, and CrowdStrike is built for speed in the cloud.
Okay, so what does this actually look like in practice? Let's check out their deployment architectures.
Symantec's approach is hybrid. You get on-prem managers talking to their cloud intelligence. It's pretty flexible.
And right away you can see a big split. Symantec and Carbon Black give you that on-prem server option.
But can they actually scale? Let's talk about the hardware you'll need for 50,000 endpoints.
At that size, you're looking at a staggering 100 million events every single day.
For Symantec to handle that load, you'll need a pretty hefty appliance, either physical or virtual.
Let's talk specs. You're going to need at least 16 CPU cores for that main appliance.
And for memory, a minimum of 64 gigs of RAM is recommended to handle all that processing.
And finally, for storage, plan on needing up to 8 terabytes of fast storage for all that telemetry.
Okay, so what about Carbon Black? Their approach is different. They use a clustered architecture to scale.
For 50K endpoints, you're starting with a 3-node cluster, and each of those nodes needs some serious resources.
All right, let's put them to the test. An insider is trying to steal data. How does each platform handle it?
Symantec brings its A game with its industry-leading DLP and USB device management to just block the attempt.
Carbon Black's angle is total visibility. Its continuous recording lets you see every single move the insider makes.
CrowdStrike jumps in with its data and identity protection modules, and it can instantly contain that machine.
And this really gets to the core of it. Do you want deep forensics or automated, fast containment?
So it's a trade-off, right? Carbon Black gives you that deep dive forensic data, a sort of DVR for your endpoint.
So when it comes down to it, which one is right for you? It really depends on your needs.
This matrix should make it simple. Just match your environment's needs to the right solution.
So the real question isn't which EDR is the best, it's which one best defends your mission.